Today I'm going to be installing this new steering wheel cover. For those who have issues with them, there is a process. Start by taking out the old cover. You just pull back and it comes off pretty easy. That's the easy part. The other one, if it has beading or something, you want to make sure that's centered. My steering wheel is not exactly straight, but I can center that still. So you want to make sure that and you want to put this bottom edge first when you're putting that down. So just make sure that and you can center it now. This is the time to center it. And that looks pretty darn good. So what you want to do is you want to flip it out of this bottom piece here. This bottom piece, you want to flip it out, and it's got to go in first. And you just got to work your way around it. It's a little bit of an issue. You might want to pull. I put my hand in, I pull. I would pull. So you lift it out and you pull on it. And you'll end up with this little piece here that doesn't want to go, but it will if you keep, just roll that out and it goes in first. And you want to twist it, turn it, and voila.